Welcome to Trading Tricks for Indices YouTube channel. This video is all about three things. First one is one of the factors I check before taking the trade, the price action behind taking the trade, and entry, exit, stop loss of the trade using CPR, pivot points and 20 EMA. One of my subscriber, Rajesh Jaikumar, has requested this video. What is the entry, exit and stop loss of your trade? Please post it, he asked. That's why I'm doing this video. Now, the first factor I see when I want to take the trade is this. If you see here, without pivots and 20 EMA, could you find out anything here? Can you say from this area it would go like this, from this area it would come like this? No, we can't tell that. That's why I'm using pivots, and to take the trade I'm using 20 EMA. Now it's all makes sense that why it is moving like this. Sometimes it is so accurate that we amazed at the charts how wonderfully pivots are helping us. Sometimes there are sideways days. Those days some whipsaw movements we saw, like this whipsaw movements we saw. It doesn't care about the pivots, but most of the time pivots help us to take the trade. Now the first thing is, one of the factors I check before taking the trade is, see, when I want to take the trade, for example, today my analysis is the market is bearish. So in the bearish view I have to take the trade. For example, in Bank Nifty, here in this candle you can take the trade. 930 candle you can take the trade. If you want to take the trade, check 930 candle in the Nifty also. If 930 candle in the Nifty also shows there is a bearish reaction, then you can take the trade. I will go deeper into this concept, because as I use weekly pivots and monthly pivots also, I have very much clarity about the trades. Many analysts and YouTubers keep saying that you have to follow higher time frames, right? If you use 200 EMA and 20 EMA as your indicators, if you go to 30-minute time frame, it shows different indicators, different sort of movement. It doesn't look like this, same as this. That must be different. There is a conflict between this time frame, I mean 5-minute time frame and 30-minute time frame. If you see CPR pivot points, there is no conflict like that. If you go to 30 minutes time frame or even 60-minute time frame, the same levels will be here. This is the advantage of CPR. So if you see there is a bearish movement in Bank Nifty, you want to take the trade, at that moment you have to check Nifty also. This is the most important factor you want to trade in Nifty, Bank Nifty options, because if Bank Nifty is in bearish position, that means below CPR, and Nifty is above CPR, there is a conflict. That conflict leads to hitting the stop loss, or it may take more time to reach your target. In case if you are buyers at Thursday, which is the expiry day, you may face lot of theta decay in there. So that make sure that both the indices is moving in same direction. If at all it is not in the same direction, wait till both the indices came to same direction and enter at appropriate location. Entering at appropriate location and appropriate good times is so important to your trading success. Let's say important timings in the sense morning 9:15 to 10:15 is the crucial time. You can watch like 9:15 to 10:30 also. From that 10:30 to 12:30 there is no such movements, big movements in the market. After 1:30 to 3:30 you can see most of the time probably big moves happens. This means nothing like between 10:30 to 12:30 there is no movement at all. Sometimes there is also some movement, but this is the most appropriate time to trade. If you trade these times with good location, appropriate location, your odds of success is more. Now let's come to the point, the factor before taking the trade, and here I will explain the price action behind it. Okay, if you see here morning there is, I will just move it, we can have better space here. Okay, here this is a bullish candle at CPR. Bullish candle at CPR in the sense bullish movement. Okay, now if you want to, you see like bullish here, you want to take the trade here because it's a great support. And if you see a big bearish candle coming like this at central CPR, better to avoid the trade because you want to take the trade in the uptrend, in the up move. This indicates that there is a lot of sellers present over here at weekly pivot. This is price action. Reading every candle with the price, what is doing the price is price action. You have to compare bank nifty's and nifty's price action before you take the trade. Okay, in the third candle it closes below monthly pivot. Okay, it closes below monthly pivot, and here also it closes below monthly pivot, which is an indication of bearish movement. But here you see this is 20 MA. This candle 925 candle didn't close below the 20 MA. That means you should not take the trade. If you take the trade right after close of this candle, it may get reverse and go like this. There is a chance of doing that. You cannot give more chances to the market to hit your stop loss. You have to be really so good at taking the trades. You have to analyze different factors. Okay, and I will make a video about the price action and the psychology behind the candles, how to read the candles. I will make another video. Now here I will tell you the price action here. If you see here, I waited till 12 in the noon to take the trade. Here there is a rejection from 20 MA and previous day low. This is a great opportunity to take the trade. As my analysis is today is going to be a bearish day, I thought like I have to take the trade like this. Then I saw the indication for nifty. I want confirmation to take the trade. So I see at 12 o'clock candle in nifty, it is also so bearish. As I already told you, if some bearish candle coming like this in the middle CPR, you cannot take the trade at earlier. But this criteria is different because we are searching for bearish movement, and this is a good indication of bearish movement, so that you can take the trade. It closes below the central CPR, then I have a strong conviction that bank nifty is going to be bearish, and I have some great profit. So I took trade after this close of the candle. Let me clearly show you where is my stop loss, because one of my subscriber Rajesh Jaikumar has requested this video to tell me the entry, exit and stop loss of my trades. Now I'll tell you, I will show you where is my entry, where is my exit and where is my stop loss. This is an indicator to show you where is the stop loss, where is my target, everything in this. This is very good to analyze how much points you are risking, how much you are getting in this trade. See, if you see here, I am risking stop loss of 54 points and I am getting target of 150 points. That means 1:3 risk reward. If everything goes well, I'll get 1:3 risk reward. Every time I lost 1000, I'll get 3000 rupees. Okay, for each lot of bank nifty. So I started, I want to take the trade. I placed an order, but unfortunately due to some issues it didn't get executed. So I go for market order and the order executed somewhere here. As I always prefer risk reward ratio, even though risk reward ratio is very good, but my stop loss for any trade is around 17 to 20 points, but in this case around 25 points my stop loss has been decided. Some of you have a doubt that here stop loss is showing 59 points, but why am I saying 25 points like that? Because this is the spot chart. We have options chart, another options chart. We have to check out that chart, but we can know that chart in this chart also, spot charts also, by dividing the number by 2. That means the stop is here 59.40, round figure 60 points, but if you want to know option stop loss, option chart stop loss 60 by 2, and that means 30 points will be your stop loss, around 30 points. If this is not as appropriate as this, I am telling you approximately, because my trade executed here and I have a strong conviction that the price will go here, because morning the price has started from weekly pivot. There is a possibility to go and end at to reach this level. So I waited. Actually the price has came till here very nicely, but it takes support here. You see, but I didn't take my profit, because here from here to here for each lot I have around 800 rupees, but I didn't take the trade, exited here, because when I check nifty, this is 1225 candle. At 1225 candle it didn't took any support from any pivot. So I am confident that my trade will get success. So I didn't take the trade. I thought like at here 20 EMA will reject the price, and the price comes like this, and the price may come like this and hit this target. I thought like that, but it again went till here, and I know that we have to give some buffer to the market to reach our level target. We have to give some buffer. That's why if I put a stop loss, I don't change it whether my stop loss will hit, otherwise or my target will get hit. That's I didn't touch my PNL anything. I just stare at the charts, or otherwise I will do some other work. So I thought like this candle will take the price like this. One simple tip is, if you put your stop loss, don't touch the stop loss, let it move, let it let the price move between your target and stop loss. Don't take it unless some specific conditions. Don't take it. You no need to feel every price change. You no need to see all the time the PNL which is running, the MTM in your app. Okay, this gives you lots of stress. Avoid this. Do not trade P&L account. Trade the charts. Plan the trade the charts. That's it. That is the process for successful profitable trading. So now come to this area. Again, I am seeing this at 13, that means at 1 o'clock it has made this pin bar. Even I have a strong conviction that it may move, it may be giving a bearish move, but unfortunately my stop loss got hit. Also today I have a big stop loss. It's okay, no problem. This is the process. We have to follow this process. I followed the process. I am very happy, even though I got loss, because tomorrow if I follow this process I will get some profits. Day after tomorrow may not get profits, but if you do not use this system, or if you do not be disciplined, you may face huge losses in the future. That's why trade the system, trade the process, plan the trade, chart, then take your profit or stop loss here. Again I saw that it is moving against me. I am tempted to take another trade, but I know whenever it is something like this moving against our trade, we should not take trade immediately, because we are very desperate about money. Humans are desperate about money. The most important emotion is money for us. So don't take the trade immediately. Give some room, give some time to the market, analyze again and take another trade. There is always a tomorrow here. If you are desperate about today's trade, keep on taking the trade. Your capital may decrease. It shows a very strong effect in your mind. So do not take immediately the trade. With some specified situations you can take the trade. I will discuss them also in our next videos. And the price goes like this. Even though I have the opportunity to take the trade, I am not ready to take the trade, because today I don't know why I was expected so much that price will come here. So if I don't feel like trading, I just get up from the system, I just shut down the system and go and do some other work. That's my way of doing trading. This helps us to keep our mind really peaceful and really disciplined. Follow this. You may find some difference in your trading, and you'll get some more profits in your trading, because this type of whipsaw movements will wipe you out. Most of the times our profits gone away in these sort of whipsaw movements, because we take the trade here, it will come here and goes like this, hits your stop loss, again in this candle, it gives the indication, but with lots of stop loss here, big stop loss here. If you take the trade, again your stop loss got hit, your profits have gone by 50%. You know, for every 1 lakh, if you earn 4,000 rupees with 20 points stop loss, if you put your stop loss for 40 points for at least one time, you will lose 50% of your money. So trade the system. In that system, build some rules, follow that rules. If I take the trade, if this candle has closed somewhere here, I will not take the trade, because it's more than 20 points. Sometimes 1 point, 2 point is, it's okay, but but I don't prefer more than that, because 20 points loss, 40 or 60 points profit. That's my system. I follow this. Within 1 month, you may be profitable with this system, but you have to stay sideways we have to stay sideways when your stop loss got hit. If you find some sideways movement, stay away from that. Okay, this is one of the factor. And he asked about Prajesh Jai Kumar has asked about this. Now I am showing clearly you the stop loss and the target, expected stop loss and target. For every trade I will show you this. I am planning to take trades and I will post the profits also. Actually I have already posted some profits there, but I am planning to take some 5 lots in Bank Nifty. Once it has done, I will show my profits day by day in regular basis. Keep watching my videos. I hope you understood the concept here. Please share this content to the needy persons so that they will gain some knowledge. Kindly, if you like my video, please give a like. If any doubts, please comment. I will try to clear the doubts, because it's my responsibility to clear the doubts. This is my channel. I want to be really so committed to this channel. Please ask any queries. I will address them. Thank you for watching my videos. I am so thankful for you all. Thank you.